I'd like consumers to know that, the cows become part of our family. I'm Eddie Avila, second-generation dairy farmer here on Avila Dairy in Quincy, Washington. My dad and I are partners on this place, and he started dairying back in 1990s. We built this place about 8 years ago, and we've been here ever since. We milk 2,700 cows and raise all our own young stock. All our bull calves get picked up and we sell them to a calf ranch. They raise them up and sell them for beef. So there's a few things we do to keep our cows happy. We have a cross-ventilated system for our milk cows, so it keeps it air conditioned in the summertime and it's actually warmer in the wintertime. We also have some cow brushes for places they can't reach and scratch. We do yearly cattle movement seminars or classes for all our employees and try to get them to buy into a system that we've really seen work. And then we've implemented some technology with the RFID buttons and a sort gate that'll automatically remove those animals from the group while we need them. Our main goal is to keep the cows happy and let them do their thing without as much intervention from us as we can keep. So at the first signs of sickness of an animal, the first thing we try to do is use non-antibiotic treatments, whether it be some pills or just an IV of vitamins and minerals, just to get them going. And if that doesn't help, then we will go to antibiotics, but it's a secondary treatment protocol that we go to. My wife Kevin and I have 2 boys. One of the great things about being on the dairy is they get to be out with animals every day, and the enjoyment you see with kids when they're playing with their cows, it's something that's pretty cool. I absolutely love cows. I love being around them. There's nothing like walking out with your nice healthy cows, first thing in the morning.